LLM function on the basis of mathematics like matrix multiplication. Yet how ironical that this is the same domain where they perform the least. Recent models have boasted to have scored significantly higher when it comes to mathematics, especially the O1 family of models. This gives an illusion that they can absolutely solve anything, and due to this reason, it is very necessary that we come up with new benchmarks. In my last video, I covered simple QA, which showed how wrong current state-of-the-art language models can be. In this video, I'll be covering EpochAI's Fronteir Math Benchmark. Let's watch their introduction video and then we will test few questions from this benchmark on the current state-of-the-art LLMs.
When I was doing a math PhD at Harvard, a recurring topic in the math lounge was artificial intelligence's progress in math. We'd see news about AI solving Olympiad problems and stories of experts in other fields misjudging how soon AI would beat the best humans. And inevitably, the question would arise, are we next? How long will it be before AI can research math better than us? Not all of us were concerned by AI acing math contests. Most of our work takes years. I hear everything from humans will be obsolete as researchers in the next 5 years to claims that AI won't grasp the complexity of modern math research within our lifetimes. So how do we determine who's right?
There are benchmarks that assess basic mathematical proficiency in AI, but none that reflect the depth of contemporary math research. At EpochAI, we're interested in measuring and tracking progress in artificial intelligence. Existing benchmarks for complex scientific reasoning are close to saturating. We need something new to be able to tell how much progress we're making towards expert-level ability. And that's why we've built Frontier Math. We worked with over 60 mathematicians worldwide, professors, IMO writers, and Fields medalists, to produce hundreds of original, extremely challenging math problems.
These are actually genuinely hard problems. One of the things that will be, I think, difficult is like a lack of training material. Like pretty niche, it's probably not that well documented.
Yeah, so I took a look at the 10 problems you sent. I think I could do the analytic number theory ones in principle, and then the others I don't know how to do, but I know who to ask.
The problems of Frontier Math range in scope from Olympiad-style puzzles to research-level challenges, and span across all the major fields of mathematics. They're also beyond the capabilities of current AI. We've tested the most advanced systems available, and each succeeded in less than 2% of these problems.
In the near term, basically, the only way to solve them, short of having a real domain expert in the area, is by a combination of a semi-expert, like a graduate student in a related field, paired with some combination of a modern AI and lots of other packages and things like that.
Although Frontier Math measures advanced mathematical reasoning, we use problems with closed-form answers like integers so they can be automatically verified without significant advances in the math libraries of proof assistants. This is a challenging design constraint for the mathematicians writing these problems, because research is almost entirely conveyed through proving theorems. An AI capable of solving this challenge will have a drastic effect on mathematics. As a mathematician, I am excited to see how AI systems will transform our field, not by replacing us, but by becoming a powerful collaborative tool that will expand what is possible in mathematics.
So this is the EpochAI website, and if we click Frontier Math over here, then we can see the video that we just saw and everything. So now let's move on to the benchmark problems. When you open this, you can see various questions of various difficulty. So this is the problem. Let's try this with all the best LLMs that the current AI research labs have. So OpenAI, we'll select ChatGPT O1 preview and have Claude 3.5 Sonnet on EpochAI. So if you don't know about EpochAI, in just $10 it gives you access to all the state-of-the-art models. So I'll have the link in the description. You can have a look at that. And here at AI Studio, we have Google's Experiment 1114 model. So this is the newest model and it is currently acing the LMSYS leaderboard, so we'll be using this model. So let's copy this question and let's try. So if you look at the solutions, right, they are quantified in the form of numbers rather being a long sentence or explanation something. So it will be pretty easy for us as well. So let's take a snap of this question and we'll ask one of the models to convert to text-based question, because for O1 we have to do that. Okay, so I've set up the question to all the three models. So as we know, the answer is this very big number. So let's see. So most probably the Gemini model and the Sonnet model will get the answer first, and O1 preview, as we know, will take time to think. So let's see what we end up with. So first we have Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and it says the answer is 5 to the power 18, which is absolutely wrong. And we can see this model is giving reasoning why it thinks this answer is right. So I think this is the new 3.5 Sonnet model that I have covered. And now the next is Gemini 1.5, and it says the answer is 5 to the power 18 plus 1, which is again a wrong answer. And let's see ChatGPT Open Preview. So Open Preview says that 5 to the power 18 plus 1 is the solution. So even it is same to the answer which is given by Gemini model, but they are wrong, as we know the answer is clearly mentioned as this big number. Now, as you saw how all these three models gave absolutely wrong answer and were not even able to get close. It seems that now we are getting to benchmarks that can really show us the progress between LLMs instead of just comparing 1 or 0.5% differences. I hope you like this video, and if you want to watch another benchmark that is similar to this, you can click the video at the top right corner. And I'll see you guys in the next one.